placing this everywhere. So look, I have an iPad here right in front of me. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to do something funny. So my back paper is a YouTuber, because she said something, but my wallpaper, I mean. So look, so I'm going to put a filter on her. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Anyway, getting back to the point. I know I still have the filter on, but getting back to the point. Look.
He fell asleep after a party, so they decided
to stage
free.
Law by Mike is now teaming up with Schlepp's lawyer to sue Roblox.
Roblox is cooked. The Schlepp just teamed up with Law by Mike.
They're furious with Roblox, and now they're getting sued. Guys,
Law by Mike is suing Roblox and
Schlepp just announced that he recorded a video with Law by Mike. So what would happen if he became Schlepp's lawyer? First, Law by Mike would start by destroying Roblox's case for issuing Schlepp a cease and desist, pointing out that since Schlepp collaborates with law enforcement, he can't be legally considered a vigilante, and his methods for catching predators actually make the platform a safer place. Law by Mike would also directly attack Roblox, providing mountains of evidence that proves Roblox was trying to
Watch it yourself, guys. Watch it yourself. Okay, you know, I kind of want to watch this premise.
Roblox's weak age verification, easy Roblox exploitation,
nuggets or chicken strips?
Bro, this beside the point. But chicken strips
Or steak?
or side.
Or like this video. It's day 10 on.
What's the biggest lie you've kept that backfired?
Ooh, I love these videos, bro. Actually, I have no clue if I would do this, but
It's not just because of Schlepp. It's even worse than that. This massive legal battle is about
oh, that crazy.
Law by Mike just dropped a new long video.
I'm sorry. It's
Kicks
absolutely.
things off by saying he's teaming up with Schlepp's legal crew to take on Roblox and seek justice for him. But that's not all. He's also filing a lawsuit against Roblox for over 800 other victims.
Okay. 800? Are you sure you don't mean like 8 or 18 or yeah? Nah, Roblox. No, really? Really? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you, Roblox? I'm telling your mother about this. I'm telling your mother. I'm telling your mother about this.